Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to fix creator account cannot be private on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I am opening it. Look at the left corner, click on more and go to settings. Scroll down, click on here and now tap on to enable this option, but not enable this option. So I need to some modify my profile. So click on switch to personal account and now convert my personal account from business account or creator account, and then now try again, enable this option and now done. So that's how we can easily fix this problem.